lost sometimes and I can't seem to find a light.
Welcome back. Or you say I'm gonna sing his welcome back song with me.
Come, go on again. Welcome back. That's what I'm gonna sing.
Guys, I'm having something that I have not eaten in such a long time because it's not good for you. I may get old and I have to be conscious of the fact that I have to eat better. But today, I'm gonna try something that I have not had in a very long time. Well, had Prestige. Watch it turn upside down. Prestige. Love Prestige. Which one are you doing to your favorite? Because we know persons are watching from all over. Yeah, persons. A lot of our viewers are in the US, in Canada, in England. When you were in Jamaica, which donut did your favorite? Like, what yellow box one name? No, yellow box on a Prestige too?
No, see.
I don't know. But when my mother normally go town,
them alone used to run a place.
Listen. You see, every Thursday when my mother go market at town, my mother bring back Prestige donuts. Yes? Listen to me when me tell you this. You see, when me look forward, I'm wash out all of my belly waiting for the donut. And my favorite thing is to eat round it and left the jelly.
Nothing they're nice like them time.
No, they're not nice like them time. Them time they used to sit down in it. I'm not telling no lie. Yeah.
Some the boy them and make them like
my God, man.
Sweat run off of them and so no sweat run upon them.
Yeah, no, so actually, you know that's a problem? A food safety.
Like, seriously, I laugh.
A food safety is a problem. And you know, so I like to have to work because nobody else no manners. Food safety are a big problem right now. Why food them not so nice again? Because now we have so much regulations around them. Yeah.
Well, they have to wash their hand much
time. Yeah, so you see, I bacteria did I do it well? Maybe I bacteria did I do it.
Go so far as I bacteria, but
it's not nice again. It's not nice like how it used to nice, but it is still very good.
Not just Prestige.
I'm not just Prestige alone. Most products.
Most product them time there.
You see this? Oh, so good, it's so good.
When they used to make them, just naturally I make them, and I at least try to get this 900 certificate, this 2000 certificate. That yeah. Better than now. Far better than people still never are sick.
Yeah.
No, I said I don't know if you do it enough, but
I think one time, I don't know. We immune system build like tank. May I tell you the truth? We immune system build like tank. Real tank. Because some disease we are on now never did the back in ideas.
Never did the back in ideas.
I think them children we have make now they suffer. China they make.
China they make.
China will cost for that.
Yeah.
But
don't lie, don't China they make for 2 months. Soft.
Yeah, man.
Everything get to them. Every God Almighty thing get to them.
You know, me look Panterel. You know the thing there when ice cream man. You know, me stand up the other day and I see one man I sell ice cream. I say, you know, long me see one man I sell ice cream. I ride around and I sell ice cream. A long time I see one ice cream man. Little zing there. Yes. Our ice cream man from up at my place where me come from, the name Virgin was our ice cream man. Listen to me. You see Sunday evening time, you listen out for Virgin and it every ice cream man have the same aunt, you know. Virgin I come. And Virgin, if I bring the ice cream man, listen to me. You see all the time Virgin come with the when my mother make buy ice cream cake, it was a vibe, me I tell you. It was a vibe. And when you eat the cone, you know, man, you not think about the fact that Virgin people around there are shaking like a tingling, you know. You never think about it as a child. You just want your ice cream in the cone because cup of ice cream that will give you a same rush. Cup of ice cream don't have this rush. No. Your ice cream
You
off
eat ice cream
on the cone.
and then when it run down, you bite
You
the
bite the bottom and
of
suck out it. But I'm telling you, man, listen to me. One time, you not think about the germs and then something. Me know Roger would have never buy an ice cream from an ice cream man right now. Right?
So easy.
Listen, me and Roger stopped by cane. And Roger was like, I don't want the one that you already peeled, sir. Can you peel a cane for me? I said, what? What? You know, so me I pick them, just say, sell me a bag of cane. But I said, the way so disciplined with you and he speaks so eloquently and polite, the man was like, alright sir, just pick your cane where you want, I will peel it for you. Nothing in my ideas, we just have buy a bag of cane, straight.
Nothing in my ideas, if you go and tell him and say, no, you might tell us to move in front
of him. Yeah, but Roger now go by the one, can you say, first thing he must say, him don't know how long the cane man peel it and put it so in a bag. So him no want that the one day. He want a freshly peeled one. Have you seen that? Now internet picnic this year? And him buying cane and head out. I'm like, me no do that. Me no do that. Whatever cane already peel in my bag, me just normally buy it. Yeah. Me tell you something, sit down like here watch him and I said someone here build different, you know. But yeah man, things and times really change. I tell you, when we starting off with the Prestige donut, it was a vibe. One of my fondest memory I when your mother come home with him. I don't lie, I don't know about you really, but my mother got on every week, every Thursday, and she ever bring back donuts. And every Friday night after she come from market, she bring jerk chicken, and we eat jerk chicken Saturday. Yeah, for your lunch. Yeah man. Anyways, I'm gonna enjoy my donut. You want one?
What do that mean? You buy for a share?
Yeah, I'm gonna ask you, sir, but I'm gonna say yes, sir. Take one. Anyways, come. One hurdle down. Ministry of Health to go. At the time, major hurdle, you know.
Where they?
Which one is out there?
Oh, yeah, guys.
Make we go outside the core first. We go outside the core first, y'all. Alright, let's go. Yeah, man, surgical fire so easier than for go find Ministry of Health. Remember say Ministry of Health upon Chelsea there so? Okay guys, so I have a speaking engagement right now. I am going to my son's school. You know, it's what do you call it? Child's month. So they asked me to do a presentation there. So can't say no because they have been incredible teachers, trust me. And Teachers Day is coming up also. Teachers Day is tomorrow. So everybody who's watching this now and you're a teacher, happy Teachers Day, and thank you for doing everything that we could not. I could not be a teacher, so thank you so much for doing everything that I could not. Really appreciate y'all. Anyways, comment down in the comment section if you are a teacher, and big up on a nice clean self. We love and appreciate, you know. We wish you could pay on a reflect the appreciation also. Believe me, a lot of we stand in solidarity with you guys as you try to, you know, tackle that. But yeah, we heading out now. Heading to Reggie's school as we're gonna do this little presentation, and it just slip back in my consciousness say me never lotion my foot. Me no lotion my foot. Me I sweat like crazy, you know, so I don't really wear makeup like that. But hot. Face nice and smooth though. But me no lotion my foot. And you know what? Little children can be brutal. Hey, them honest, you know, man. Them honest and they don't have no filter. Them are 12, 11, 10, them age group there. Then they put in know nothing like they look curve for China. So you say if I go up this and I'll see my foot white, then I go say, Reggie, mother foot white. Reggie, your mother not no lotion. Hey, they're brutal, you know, man. So before I come out I can't lotion my foot because I shall not be embarrassed by little teeny tinies. Here, we're going straight across. Alright. What am I gonna say again? So checking in with you guys. we are getting closer and closer to our date. You don't know, we have a lot of things doing, lots and lots of things doing, because there's so much things that we have to send over to India, to the hospital, so much preparation that we have to make for me to leave also, because there are some shots that I have to get. I'm sure that you saw earlier where we're up and down going to different places, different things that we have to check in out. I cannot really divulge all of the information here, but I am sure that you guys know that there's a lot of little preparation that we have to put in place in order to leave, and we're leaving for such an extended period of time. But soon and very soon we'll be out of here. We have about a week and a little bit left, and then we will be on our way. The road is really bad, so we must have bunks out here. We must have watch and say, oh my god, I hope we're not eating, I must dizzy. Oh god. And of course I'm here with my driver, my chauffeur, Mr. Morgan, as usual. Alright, let's do this. So we're here to do a little bit of reading.
Oui.
Thank you, Mrs.
Merci.
Yes, I'm thinking about it. Oh my God, please don't judge me. I stumbled on a few words. We're going to go to school, okay? Okay. Say Morgan's legacy. Morgan's legacy. Hello. See, you must see me read in your class. You the shame? Ah, yes. Hi. So my son give me a flower. I feel good. My ace gave me a flower.
Ace gave flower?
Ace give me.
So I don't think that's
You think I Johnny?
Yeah.
No. That's what you say. Me and my son extra. Ace give me my sweet boy, my sugar. Give me a flower. But my ears drink drop out a while ago. I'm not party drop. The devil strong enough. He look so nice. He have to come up on a plate. He have to come up with a plate. Come destroy me good looking. Watch out. Blast my earring. No, no, try today. I forgot to check out the next one. But my son gave me a flower. Really bad mind. Really never give me a flowers friend me. 1 decade. What a relationship. I never get a flowers yet. You know what flowers feel like.
At least I get money for give flowers.
Thank God.
I'm a game for give flowers.
And then the ranking is there for really? You really go say you give me boy, make you boy can't give me flowers? I disrespect that today? Thank God so have him. Can't give me flowers too. Please me carry a good man come here to take care of me. Yeah. Hot and disrespectful. But yeah guys, so that went well. That little part of the day went well. We have a couple of little things that we have to shut up here now, and we're gonna do that. 2 things. We have to go on Ministry of Education because we're trying to get Ace a shadow. As you're all aware, Ace is autistic, so he needs a little bit of extra support, a little bit of extra love, and he needs a little extra care. So we're trying to go to Ministry of Education to get him a shadow. A shadow will be there with him during the course of the day to help him go to the bathroom, write, because he's chewing a whole pencil. Because he knows everything that's happening and just don't, yeah. So he needs a shadow to help with that. And whatever else little things that he needs, the shadow will be there. Because a lot of parents with autistic children, the parents become the shadow. But we cannot become the shadow. We gotta work. We gotta work. So we're going to the ministry trying to get some assistance with that and see if we can get through with that. We've got to buy a suitcase. Yes, Mr. Sar, we gotta go buy a suitcase. We need a suitcase. We need a big suitcase we can carry our things. Yeah. So let's do that. Well, let's not do that now. We have some stuff we're gonna drop off at our friend. And yeah. So we're doing that first and then we're heading out to Kingston to do the rest of it. Hello, hi. What? I'm going to the office. Really with my name again. Ken boy name, you know? Oh, me know him. I know him good. And he know me good too. He's my chef. He's my chef and he's my security. He's my man of many talents. But me can't remember my name. Can't remember my name. Oh God. Alright, let me call our phone. I have one thing to say and one thing only. You see, really? You know everybody.
Everybody know really.
No. Me mean 3 points where concerning. Me really left and go, where? And the grill. Look which part we come from, Old Harbour. And we go all the way at the grill. And guess what? Raleigh! People are calling him. We never see somebody can know somebody, so cheese and peas. And no matter where we go, people know Raleigh. I mean, I talk way before YouTube.
YouTube no make nobody know.
Actually, people don't really know if I YouTube. People know me and Johnny, but mighty God, Raleigh, man. It's okay, yeah. Alright. Well, let me not cuss Raleigh anymore. Let's get back to this. Hello! Yes, I like that, you know, see we? Oh my. Boy, I should not come at that side there anymore. We don't really come at that side there anymore. Stuck up at you. Oh, a spot. This is not people. When you come to the circle and you want soup, this is the best lunch spot. Okay, want one nice big soup with 2 cans. You know the can? Okay. Yeah. A tub. Ready, you buy crab? If you buy crab, you go put in a chunk, you know. Because I don't want nowhere near your crab. And if Roger want soup. Big and jumbo here. So can't wish me to eat them. Oh my. But you see, I dropped some pigs, some skull skin in that for me, you know.
Yeah, man, they get a cold.
The best combination. You want to see? Oh, good. Yeah. That's good. Can carry local stuff them, don't you?
Yeah.
Wide selection. Mama.
Want to take up your phone?
Mm-hmm.
Picture? Oh, Camille?
Yeah, come here, please. No!
Hey, stop on my drop up my people and something.
Ooh, yeah man, that one is nice and big.
Hey, Dan. Hello, stop. That's hers.
Where? Azan. Where you buy your suitcase? Talk to me now. You don't say he's a hype shot, man. He's very hype. He's a very hype shot, man. Team suitcase is really nice for you, but
I'm one thing bad.
September, man. You hype down, miss? Hype shot, man. That's why I God no give him no more height, you know. Ooh, this nice here, y'all. Azan really are going, though, you know? Yeah, man. Azan really are going. Wow. This is really nice. Really nice. Ooh, so cute. Oh, which one?
It's a mango.
Mango? Let me try.
Free from alive, fat and low too.
I don't carry more than this. I don't carry load. As long as I'm walking with my husband, my hand them for free. Yes. What a big up piece of cow skin there, Ali. You know can't love you off. What you want? Cha-cha. What I wanna get? Store man. Come here, go out on a key. No sir. Me go back on a key. You look like one little piece now for me.
No oven. Cannot come up. You cannot come up with a big piece.
Okay, look at love it away. People, I know it's on a pill to what they're doing now, but let me tell you this, man. That soup here, you know, like how Cartel sing the song about blame, this and that there. You know that juice they say, when we buck up in there, and that soup here buck up in there for soup. Yeah! All of the chicken, this and the okra. Anyways, can't stand in that. I'm eating food. Bye! Well guys, just so you know that I didn't think I included this before, but Euro Circle is a national treasure. Like once you come to Jamaica, you're talking about street food and so, you definitely have to go Euro Circle. If you're not Jamaican, this is a fact. You have to go Euro Circle, go try crab and soup and corn with coconut. No, the pepper hot, people. So you see, if you're afraid that spice now go work for you. Right now, me I sweat now AC, me nose I run and thing, but if you don't get that experience, then it don't make no sense. That is the truth, right? Correct?
Correct. Only they have roast salmon and saltfish.
Roast salmon and saltfish too.
Which I think that have a very good idea. Different from
the crab and the soup. But as I said, national treasure. Once you come to Jamaica and it's a street food, you have to go to Euro Circle. Euro Circle, after that conversation, if you're a foodie, just want to put that out there for all the foodies. You can't drink off my tub, I'm going to leave some see after. Plus, my nose I run. Boogie running. But as I say, it's all a part of the experience. You need that. Whew. This is probably a very short vlog, but thank you so much for watching. Remember to like, share, subscribe. We're growing. We're at 2,000 and something now, 2,200. We're so proud and elated and very grateful for all of you who joined. The person who joined a long time and person who just joined, right? Again, thank you so much. We love and appreciate you. Remember to pray, give God thanks, and until we see you on Thursday, God bless you. And again, like, share, subscribe. Big up yourself.